This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your browser and navigating to Accounts. Google.com/signup, enter your name and choose a unique username. Use a phone or existing email for verification now so you can complete the process without interruption. Create a strong password with at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down in a secure place or use a password manager. Once done, confirm the password twice and click Next to proceed to personal details and recovery options. After the basic info, Google asks for verification. Enter the SMS code sent to your phone immediately so the system links your number. Next, add a recovery email and accurate birthday. These help recover access later and set appropriate defaults. Make choices about ad personalization and location settings now. These can be changed later, but setting them deliberately reduces surprises. Once you finish this stage, review terms, adjust visibility for your profile, then click Create Account to move toward finalization. To finish, accept Google's terms and click Create Account. Sign in immediately to confirm everything works. Enable two-step verification now for stronger security using SMS, Authenticator app, or backup codes. This prevents unauthorized access. If something goes wrong, try resending the verification code, check your spam folder if using email, or clear your browser cache and retry. Make sure time and date settings on your device are correct for codes to validate. Finally, explore account settings to customize privacy and sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.